back to applying for a Swedish Job Seeker Visa from India. Hello everyone, welcome back to Apna Europe, your go-to channel for all the things related to immigration, travel and life in Europe. If you are dreaming of starting your career in the stunning country of Sweden, you are in the right place. In today's video, we'll be walking you through the step-by-step process of applying for a Swedish Job Seeker Visa right from India. Let's dive right in. Before we start, let's understand what a Swedish Job Seeker Visa is. It's a fantastic opportunity for individuals who want to explore job opportunities in Sweden. This visa allows you to stay in Sweden for up to 6 months, during which you can search for a job that suits your qualifications and skills. To apply for the Swedish Job Seeker Visa, you need to meet a few eligibility requirements. You should have a degree from a recognized university, sufficient funds to cover your stay, and relevant work experience in your field. Now, let's talk about the documents you'll need for your application. Make sure to have your valid passport, proof of your academic qualifications, your updated CV, proof of sufficient funds, and a detailed cover letter explaining your motivation for seeking employment in Sweden. Research and find potential job opportunities in Sweden. Second, prepare your documents as per the checklist provided by the Swedish Embassy or Consulate. Fill out the online application form on the Swedish Migration Agency's website. Pay the application fee and schedule an appointment at the VFS Global Visa Application Center in India. Attend the appointment, submit your documents, and provide biometric data. Wait for your application to be processed. This usually takes a few weeks. To increase your chances of approval, ensure that your documents are complete, well organized, and authentic. Tailor your cover letter to showcase your skills and explain why you are interested in working in Sweden. Research the job market and identify potential employers to mention in your application. Once you have submitted your application, be patient during the process time. You can use this period to enhance your language skills and learn more about Swedish culture and work ethics. If your application is approved, you will receive your Swedish Job Seeker Visa. Congratulations! With your visa in hand, it's time to explore job opportunities in Sweden. Attend job fairs, network with professionals, and apply for positions that align with your skills and interests. If you haven't found a job within the initial 6 months, don't worry. You can apply to extend your stay for up to 6 more months while you can continue your job search. Remember, determination and persistence are key. And there you have it, a comprehensive guide on how to apply for a Swedish Job Seeker Visa from India. Remember, this journey is not only about finding a job, but also about experiencing a new culture and expanding your horizons. If you found this video helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe to Apna Europe for more informative content. Thanks for watching.